up, Motor Seduce? So I found why the car was why the car was blowing on white smoke. And as you can see, cylinder wall is clean. The block survived it. I mean, it's not that bad. It's not cracked or anything. You can see the little scoring on the side. I'm not gonna say what's bad and what's not bad for the most part. Yeah, somebody let this block take a doodle on it. We're gonna see what I could do with it. I was just throwing stuff in here this morning, guys. I had to be at work. What I do, this how I plan my day. So I wake up 7 o'clock in the morning, touch on the car, go to work, then I do Uber at night. Cause these cars ain't cheap, and I gotta be able to dish out when it comes to it. So that's that. Door handle. 1 second. Compressor. So I don't know necessarily when I'm gonna touch this car. And this is the cylinder head. I just threw it in here for right now. I don't know how it did that, cause what? I don't know. The spring ain't come out or whatever. And I don't know what I'm gonna do as far as with these cylinder heads. These have my 6-1 valve spring. I might just take them to someone, get all this, machined and clean. See if I can get somebody, hit the ports a little bit. Yeah, so far that engine's done. I don't know, guys. I've been thinking a little bit, and RT Life really made me want to pull the trigger on it for real. But I might give me a cheap set of headers, long tubes that is, cause I already see he already fighting to get hit all his gains. So I might grab me a set of long tubes, and I might toss these to Johnny. I might sell them, or I might keep them. You never know down the line. So how I'm gonna do this car, I'm gonna just drop the whole subframe, then I'm gonna sell parts. So if you're looking for anything external, I might keep the trans because I have nitrous too, guys. And, the goal is 600. And I don't want that transmission a grenade. With my luck. And that differential, you know, she gonna be under high stress. I don't know. So that's about it. She looking good with the rims on it. She is. Oh, apple pie. We got the blue top fluids. We have the non-MDS lifters. And we got, you know, I've been meant to do this because my blue car had the trans leak. But as y'all gonna see after this clip, she's gone. So I'm gonna piece it all together for y'all and give y'all this update tonight. But I traded her for an SRT manifold. The shell, that is, and sold the block. The block's gone. So I traded her for an SRT manifold, sold the block. The only reason I traded her for that is because I purchased one already, and eBay was refunding me my money. I'm gonna send that to y'all. I'm gonna insert that into the video. But, you know, they was refunding me my money. So I said, why not? Hey guys, so it's like 2 in the morning. And right now, I'm saying my goodbyes. So basically, I'm gonna show y'all right quick. Basically, I still have the engine. It's right here, 5.7. But what I just did, I traded them for a 6.1 intake manifold with the fuel rails. And as y'all know, I just paid for one on eBay. But eBay about to send me my money back. I'm gonna attach some stuff into the video. You see the lowering springs still on there. I ain't take them off. But the lowering springs still on there. And they about to give me my whole 650 back and everything. So for real, I made 650 off just the cradle. I could have, you know, got even more. I gave him the transmission because right now I got a lot going on, and I need stuff gone. So right now, yeah, it's a good time to be getting some stuff from me. And I still got the silver car. I got parts on there I would like to sell. I'm probably gonna be giving away stuff on that, but it's gonna be it. It's gonna be the last. Well, I'll probably still see her. She's gonna be in the area, but she's getting on the truck. She's about to drop a 6.1 in there. The last time I see her, she's gonna send me the address to her shop so I can get the seats out. I ain't really worried about it. So, this gonna be it. For her, that is.